Today is January 25. Bili na naman tayo ng fish for the cats. Is 4 kilos. Ito naman guys. Tapos na natin mahimay-himay ang mga fish. So let's go now. We're going to feed the pussycat. There's a lot of stray cats down in the basement and the ground floor area of this building, and also beside other building and in front of the building. Ang dami dito mga stray cats. So yan, fish? Ah, baby? You like fish? Meng, come! Meng! Come here! Meow, meow! Buntis. Come on, Orange! Come here! Meow, meow! Come here, baby! Here on the other side of the building. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, ayun. Orange, oh. Come on. Sige, kain. Hindi ko kayo malapitan kasi baka kagatin niyo ko eh. Hindi ko kayo kilala eh. Ay, sorry baby. They are very hungry. Oh my God. They are very hungry. Drink water later, I'll give you. Hus na. Baby, huwag mo giliran. Huy. Yes. Tapos ka na. Dan. How about you, Miming? Ikaw. Huy. Ika dito. Kikis ka ng kadikis sa akin. Miming, dahan-dahan ka, okay? Itong cute, oh. Tatlo to dati, isa na lang naiwan. Buksan mo yung bebe. Yung isa. Bebe, come here. Miming, oh. Come on, Hello! Marunong na kumain ng babies? Huh? Babies, so eat na, Miming. Eat na. Meow. Meow. Miming. Drink water, ha? Miming. Ako, sinisipon. Hello, Miming. Bus na agad? Hoy. No. Oh. Oh, huwag mag-away. Don't fight. Imbes naman kumain itong orange na to. Silinggit. Isa. Ito silinggit. Gusto niya pala ng ganito. You really like the tuna with rice? Baby? Oh, naman bibi naman, oh. We are here other side of the building. We have 3 cats here. And this one, Mama Cat. Mama Cat! Where's your baby, Mama Cat? I think she's hiding her baby here. There. Miming! Miming! Come here! Baby! Miming! Ming, come. Meow, meow. Come here. Ming, come. Come, baby. Ming, baby cat, come here. Baby cat, come. Wala na ko lalagyan. Sorry. Baby cat, come, come. Come here, baby. Come. Come, baby. After drink water, ha? I'll give you more water over there, okay? Hey, baby cat. Meow, meow. How are you? How are you? Hi, little baby. You can eat chicken, huh? You eat chicken and drink water? Huh? A baby cat? Hello. How are you? Hello, meow, meow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one? Hello, baby. Hello. Meow, meow. So cute naman na baby. So cute. Oh, eat well, ha? Mommy cat, eat well, ha? So that you can breastfeed your babies. Kawawa naman yung isang baby, oh. Sira na yung isang mata. Oh. Wawa naman yan. Bye-bye. Eat na, eat. Hi, baby. How are you? How are you, Ming Ming? How are you, Ming Ming? How are you? Are you done? Busog ka na? Busog ka na? Busog na ang bebe? Busog ka na? Be? Di ka nainitan? Di ka nainitan? Babay na, akit na ako, ha? Akit na ako, ha? Babay na, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You have a beautiful eyes, baby, oh. Huh? You have beautiful eyes. Bye-bye. Hello! Wala na kumain ng chicken ng mga babies? Huh? Babies, so eat na, Miming. Eat na. Eat chicken. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Miming. Drink water, ha? Miming. Ako, sinisipon. Hello. Miming. Ginaw na ginaw siya. Kawawa naman to. Hindi ka ba nasasakal yan sa damit mo? Sarap yan? Wala sardines? Dito siya nagsumisiksik ko kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. Good girl, good girl. Good mama cat. Oh, very good kayo, ah. Wow, very good. Drink water. Oy, no. Bad yun. Namiss ko kayo, ah. Ito naman mga cats na to. Ito yung dito sa basement sa ilalim ng hotel. Sa pinagtatrabahuan ko. Paglabas ko sa work yan, binibigyan ko din. Hello, Ming Ming. Dahan-dahan lang, Slowly, slowly, okay? Meow, meow. How about you, baby? How are you? Busog na, baby? Wala kang tigil, ah. Puno ang tiyan mo. Buntis nga pala to. This one is pregnant. Okay, this is it for the day. Have a good day, everyone. God bless, and hope all of you is doing well. If you have extra and you have money and you're living in the building with too many cats, find time to share your blessing with the cats, okay? Because they have no one, especially stray cats. Okay, live your life to the fullest, spread love and kindness.